Hey, Mark Morris, tourbeatbroke.com. 你好吗？你叫什么名字？今天什么时候去 I think it's Changbian or Tamian the work. So subscribe. Mark Morris, tourbeatbroke.com, tourbeatbroke.com. Extra money, bought some lottery tickets. I need to win lottery tickets. I'm gonna go for a walk. At work, there's already a problem I gotta solve. I decided I changed the project because it wasn't constructed by my people, so I need to get some help for it. Subscribe. Chinese, I'll start working on later. Spanish, Grant Cardone. I gotta look at my Grant Cardone quote book. Subscribe. Put on my shoes. So this is how I start my day usually. After I change and everything, I always come look out the window, see what's going on. Subscribe.com, tourbeatbroke.com. Remember, you still have 8 or 7 months left in the year to get your resolutions accomplished.